I know a lot of you out there can simply agree to what I'm getting ready to say. When you are able to deposit or withdraw that first amount of money that you've worked so hard at when it comes to day trading futures, and you get that feel of what it's like to see the money hit your actual account from the broker, okay, or from the prop firm, that's when things on the inside really start to click and you know that you're off to the races of doing something good. The thing about it is just do it in repetition of so that you can constantly make money and become profitable, consistently profitable, on a daily basis. I'm not saying that you're always going to have a winning trade. And I've talked about this a million times. People always ask, because I know that emotions are tied to trading. So people, when they see the other people's track record of, profiting, or making money, they start to look at themselves and say, what am I doing wrong? Right? Simply, it's not that. I mean, I've taken trades and they've come back and, I've either getting ready to close the position or because I'm one to not let the trade hit my stop loss. I'm going to tell you that now. If it's not moving in a direction quick enough with momentum, guys, I'm telling you this, close the trade. You save yourself there versus allowing it to come back and stop you out. Think about it. If you're up in profit, I don't care if you're up in profit 5 points and the market stalls out, okay? Close the position. And if it starts to come back against you and breaks below your break-even point, even if it comes back 2 or 3 points below you at your break-even point, maybe think about going ahead and close the trade out and then re-entering if you see it start to quickly move back in that same direction. There's nothing wrong with re-entering if you are confident about the position you get yourself into. What's wrong about trading is allowing the market to, not even for people who don't put stop losses on. I'll say this right now. You're going to probably at some point blow your account multiple times because you're going to start to dig deep into drawdown. So that's the purpose of the stop loss. Go ahead and put it in place as a safety net. But you have, the playing field. It's the ball is in your court to close the position early. I've always talked about that. How do I manage my trades? By closing them early so it doesn't come back and hit my stop loss. That's how I'm able to stay ahead and remain profitable. Okay. All right. So I like to, if the market's not moving quick enough momentum, I've learned this just based over a period of experience and time. Close the trade early if it starts to come back against me and it is not working out in my favor quick enough. That's how I do it. That's how I stay and tread the water and keep moving and swimming. Okay. Now, when you first make, say, your first $5,000, whether it's in a week or a month's time, you got to know you're on to doing something correct. Seriously. Okay. Or even taking that first $1,000, withdrawal from the prop firm or the $1,000 from your hard-earned time that you spent trading for 1 week. Just grab the money, fill it, deposit into your account so you can do something with it. Even if you got a job full-time and you're making money on the side, day trading an hour a day, half an hour a day, and you're making a few $100s a day, take some money out so you can see what it's really like to know that's what you are doing is correct and it is actually working. And then you may want to lead down the path of becoming self-employed where you're saying, you know what? I really think I can turn this into a business and make money from the luxury of my own home. Instead of working 10 hours a day, I could do work just an hour, 2 hours a day and be done. Trust me, it is there. Feel it. Touch the money, okay? If you can continuously do that in repetition of consistently taking withdrawals, then you should know 100% that you are on the right path. Now, what I do see is people are passing, evaluations, challenges through the prop firms. And then what happens is, I see this a lot. They become funded and then they lose the account. And I think a lot of times it's because they're trying something or they are risking more, okay? Or leveraging more, for example. Things that they were not doing when they were trying to pass the evaluation or challenge. Whatever you did to pass the evaluation or challenge, that is part of your trading plan. Should be part of your rules. Carry it through when you have that funded account. That is going to keep you in the business of becoming consistently profitable. I think that's people's biggest problem is that they try to switch up, try something different, and they're putting more risk on the line in doing so. Stick with what you know, what works each and every day. Why are you going back trying to change it if it's already working? You passed that evaluation, right? You passed that challenge. Don't blow your funded account. Do what you were doing in the past and carry it through. Even if you're trading your own live account, don't try something new. Stick to the rules. That's the purpose of having a trading plan, so that you can draw up a plan for yourself and say, I'm going to stick to this. Okay? It's just like having a business plan. This is the model I'm going to follow by. As long as I follow within the guidelines, I'm going to be continuously successful. The moment you deviate from that, that's when you get smacked on the hand. And if you don't catch yourself quick enough, you're going to blow your actual account. So hopefully that makes sense. For all those that want to turn this into a career, a full-time business for themselves, become self-employed as a day trader, listen to what I'm saying, okay? All right? It's one thing to be able to pass the evaluation or challenge, or to slowly build up and compound an account, but can you do it consistently month to month to month? All right? If you're making money, okay, you made that first $5,000. If you build an account up to say $5,000, let's say you started from $500 or from $1,000, and now it's 4 or 5 times that amount where you started from, you know you're doing something correct. Just keep doing the same thing in repetition up. This is just providing advice, tidbits of information, some golden nuggets that will carry you through. But you've got to understand that if you got there and you crossed the path of getting past, to the winning line, okay, and you won the race, then keep doing the same thing so you can keep staying ahead and just excelling, going to the top. All right, don't plateau and start coming down. Keep moving to the upside. All right, because at some point you want to be able to capitalize on all that hard-earned time and work you put in by at some point building up enough through investment or into your account to where you can say, you know what, time for me to retire. I'm going to invest in other means or take other ventures and doing something else with the money that I've made through trading. That's what's going to carry you through retirement. All right, take that money that you're making and put it into something else. All right. So that's why I do this each and every day, is to compound an account, is to build for higher net worth, is to invest in other things that can carry me through to where I never have to work a day in my life ever again. I know people are trying to do the same. Just as people are out there working for, let's say, the federal government, a state, local job, whatever it may be, they're seeking a means of pension that will carry them through when they retire to the day that, time expires and we have to move on. So listen. Hopefully this information, which it touches the masses of people out there in some way or another, but I'm just trying to provide some great information and some knowledge that may help lots of people out there, especially traders. Those that are watching my channel, those are who are part of the Discord community that have been using the strategy and it's been working for you time and time again. I see it, guys, because you guys are posting testimonials, which is a good thing, okay? And if you're using the strategy and it's working for you, drop something down on the Discord, okay? Let me know what is working and possibly what's not working for you. And you can reach out to me and ask questions, and I'll try my best to kind of answer your questions. But everything and how I actually personally trade, which is very simplistic, nothing complex about it, centered around a simple strategy. You can find it in the video content. And where you can really understand the blueprint and cornerstone is if you become like an elite or an ultra elite member. To all my supporters out there who are either an elite or an ultra elite supporter, you already know, because you reached out to me multiple times over and stated, thank you, Mike, for making the content, making this community here for us traders, breaking things down in the simplest form, because I know, because it's been helping you and you guys have been responding back. So I thank you for letting me know what has been working for you. I thank you for letting me know what I've been sharing has been working for you, okay? Continue to post the testimonials. It's great stuff. I want to see more coming from more people who are part of this community. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I will say that. And if you are someone that wants to become an elite or an ultra elite supporter, let me tell you this right now. What you're receiving is so much valuable content surrounding the blueprint to how I actually trade. The link is down in the description portion of this video. It's titled Ultra Elite Supporter. What you receive, there's 3 tiers pretty much, but you want to choose either the elite or the ultra elite. With the elite tier, you receive all my trade breakdown videos just about every day on the Discord, which is free. You can join. The link is down in the description portion of the video as well. You'll see over on the trading floor where I post my trades, right? I'll go back and break those trades down, okay, in reference to the strategy, and breaking that down so that you can understand clearly what I was looking at when it came to taking that trade. What was my mindset? What was I thinking in reference to structure? What was I thinking in reference to the analysis of the charts? What was I thinking in reference to where to place my stop loss and profit target? All those things that I go over in each one of the trade breakdown videos, which is so much valuable content there. Plus, you receive the video playlist and a great video covering market structure that I did for anyone out there struggling with that concept. That's what you get by coming in an elite member, or supporter, which is very inexpensive, only pennies on $1 a day. Okay? If you want to become an ultra elite supporter, One step up above that, what you receive in addition to are my live recorded trading session videos, okay? That's where I'm recording my sessions as I'm actually trading, speaking to you guys, letting you know what I see from top-down analysis, analyzing the markets, and you see me engage in trades, and I break those down instantaneously while I'm actually trading, and you see me capture and take those trades, okay? Again, very inexpensive as well. The link is down in the description portion of the video. It's titled Ultra Elite Supporter. Click on that and choose either the Elite or the Ultra Elite supporter tier. And when you click on each one of those, you're going to see the perks and rewards that you receive for each one. So the choice is yours, okay? If you want to understand a simple way and strategy that's worked and is working for many people, and who are part of the Discord, please, you can come over and ask people who are part of the Discord. They'll let you know. To all those who are elite or ultra elite supporters, they will let you know. Okay, they will let you know, seriously. But that's all I have, guys. I just want to talk to you, kind of, heart to heart, let you know that if you're making money in this business and it's a option or a choice of yours to become self-employed, and you are taking the payouts and you're feeling the money. One thing, if you got a prop firm account, please start funding your own personal account, okay? Because why are you paying the man? Why are you giving him 10 to 20% of your paycheck every single 4 or 5 weeks or whatever it may be? When you're profiting, okay? Please start funding and funneling money over to your own personal account, all right? But when the moment you start feeling that money, you taking multiple, withdrawals from your own personal account or from the prop firm, you're only doing something right, okay? That's how it was for me when I started when I made say for example, my first $5,000, I was like, wow, I know I'm only doing something. Just let me do it in repetition the same way each and every time, okay? Now, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please take the time to do so by clicking that sub button down below. Make sure to turn your post notifications on so you do not miss any of the uploaded content. And last but not least, if you found value in today's video content, please make sure to drop a like, share with people that you know the channel just as well. I appreciate it. Thank you, take care, and have a great weekend.